Here, and I got this FEPPO water diffuser here. It is the hotel water diffuser, and it was sent to me to share with you guys. So I'm going to tell you what comes in the box, all about it, the good things about it, and the one thing that I would actually change about it. So first thing you're going to get in here is the actual diffuser, and then you're also going to get 5 bottles of these essential oils that you're going to put in it. I'll show you how to put them in there. They have an earthy type of smell to them. You have the classic luxury amber. Next one is the crystal amber rose, green tea blossom, clean citrus floral, and the tea blossom serenity. Right now I do have in here the classic luxury amber, and it has an earthy type of smell. Very good, very nice. It's gonna clean up the air. It's gonna make your home smell amazing, and you're not gonna be using any kind of chemicals in here. It's just the essential oils and no water. Okay, it also comes with a remote, so no app or anything to mess with. So this is the actual diffuser right here. It's going to come with 5 of these diffusing liquids with 5 beautiful scents. We have one in there right now. And it is also going to come with 2 replacement straws, or whatever they're called, that you see right in here. You just kind of pull it out and pull it in. Now it does come with a cover, so you remove this and cover it if you're traveling with it or not using it for a while. That's what that's for. I'm guessing this is to open anything that needs to be open or may get clogged. You're going to get an extra rubber in here, so if you need to change the rubber on this, you'll be able to do so. The rubber is going to be right in here, so you can change it if you need to. And this is where the cap goes. If you need to also close it up, you can move it away. Now we already have some filled in here. It goes up to 100 milli in here, or 3.8 ounces. So make sure you don't go past the max line here. And then you have here halfway through is 50 milli. We have these here are 20 milli each. So of course you're going to use 1 cent each. Don't mix them. I bet you they'll smell kind of weird in there. But this is the remote here with the 6 different settings on here. I'll show you how to use them on there. And then your on, off, light, and aroma, as well as your one for an 8-hour timer right on there. And then if we want to turn it on, we can either control it ourselves here or with the remote. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You have the ambient light right here. This right now is level 6, and you can see it's diffusing straight out of there. You can see the diffusing water coming out. Beautiful scent when it's on. And to change it, just go ahead. If you want level 5, it's going to be on this side, 2 of them lit up. Level 1, it's going to be 1 lit up, 2, 3. So you'll see it change as 4, because there's 4 lines. Then you see that 2 lines here, 5 and 6 here. And then of course, if you want to set the timer, 1 hour, you set the timer on there. These will start blinking when the timer is being set. A beautiful machine. It's really going to bring out your home, make it smell great. I love the scents that come with it, and I love the way it can actually also look. I don't have it set up very well right now because I needed to show it to you, but you can have it in your living room. You can have it in your bedroom, wherever you need to. A lot of people are getting multiples just so they can be able to have it in multiple rooms. So to put the diffuser back in, you have 2 opening here. You want to make sure that you have it in correctly or it won't turn on. So this is the one that's pushing out. You're going to make sure it's on this side where it's also denting in. And then you have this here where the diffusion is going to come out of it, and set it in the right spot. So if you want to have it in your living room, you can just move it around wherever you want it. But it is a beautiful machine, and I think you're really going to enjoy it.